Number 1, click into a cell and then go up to the name box in the top left-hand corner. You can give your cell a name. Now, you could just reference your cell just by using that name. Press Ctrl F3 and that opens up the name manager where Number 2, click on some data and then press Ctrl together with T. This turns it into a table. You get this beautiful formatting. You can also very quickly filter all of your columns. You can see all of your different defined names. You can run some different calculations. Here, I'll select some. And number 3, press Ctrl together with semicolon and that inserts the current date. Press Ctrl Shift semicolon and that inserts the current time.